Anatomy of a leaf. 1. Stomata. Stomata are tiny openings found on the surface of leaves. They allow plants to take in carbon dioxide from the air and release oxygen and water vapor during a process called photosynthesis. 2. Upper epidermis. The upper epidermis is the outermost layer of cells on the upper surface of a leaf. It acts as a protective covering and helps reduce water loss from the leaf. 3. Mesophyll. Mesophyll is responsible for carrying out photosynthesis, where chlorophyll-containing cells capture sunlight and convert it into energy for the plant. 4. Xylem. Xylem forms a network of tubes that help deliver water to the leaf for photosynthesis and other functions. 5. Phloem. Phloem transports sugars and nutrients from the leaves to other parts of the plant. It forms a network of tubes for this downward movement of substances. 6. Lower epidermis. The lower epidermis is the outer layer of cells on the bottom of a leaf and has openings called stomata for gas exchange. 7. Vein. Veins in plants are the specialized structures that provide support and transport fluids throughout the leaves. This diagram describes different spots of leaf. Number 1. Stomata, no. 2. Upper epidermis, no. 3. Mesophyll. Number 4. Xylem. Number 5. Phloem, no. 6. Lower epidermis,